In continuation to our topic, boats and streams, this is the third part, question number 7. A man can row 3/4 of a kilometer against the stream in 11 1/4 minutes and down the stream in 7 1/2 minutes. The speed in kilometer per hour of the man in still water is what? So first of all, speed upstream. That is what is our against the stream. Street upstream, which is S suffix U, is distance traveled by time taken. So distance traveled is 3/4 of a kilometer divided by time taken is 11 1/4 minutes given. Now let us convert that 11 1/4 minutes to hours, 3 1/4 kilometer. This is actually 44 plus 1, 45/4. And then we have to divide it by 60. So that will give us, we can cancel this first. So that will give us 3 divided by 45 into 60. 15 3s are, 15 4s are. So ultimately this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. We get to 4 kilometer per hour. Then speed downstream. Speed downstream is S suffix D, and that is also distance is 3/4. So 3/4 of a kilometer. So 3/4. But the time taken is 7.5 minutes only. Let us convert that minutes to hours. So 3/4. This is 7 2 are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 15/2 divided by 60. So this goes with this 4 times. So we have 3/4 multiplied by 8/1. We get this as 6 kilometer per hour. Now, the speed of the man in still water is nothing but speed of the boat. Speed of the boat is nothing but the speed upstream plus speed downstream divided by 2, which will be 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So it becomes 5 kilometer per hour. So that is our option D. Let us move on to the next question. A man takes twice as long to row a distance against the stream as to row the same distance in favor of the stream. The ratio of the speed of the boat in still water and the stream is what? So let the man's speed upstream equal to X kilometer per hour, which means then the man's speed downstream will be twice of this, will be 2x kilometer per hour. Now we need to find out the ratio of speed of the boat in still water divided by speed of the stream. Speed of the boat in still water is downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. So 2x plus x divided by 2. And speed of the stream will be downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We get 3x by x, which is 3/1, or we can say it is 3:1. So the option is B. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 9. A man rows to a place 48 kilometers distant and come back in 14 hours. He finds that he can row 4 kilometers with the stream at the same time as 3 kilometers against the stream. The rate of the stream is what? Let the man row 4 kilometers downstream in X hours. Then his speed downstream will be S suffix D, and that is distance traveled divided by time taken. And his speed down upstream, his speed upstream will be distance traveled at the same time 3 kilometers against the stream. Upstream is 3 kilometers, so 3 divided by X. Now we have speed is distance traveled by time taken, which means time is distance divided by speed. Now the question says the total time he took is 14 hours. Time taken is 14. That is equal to a place 48 kilometer distance. So 48 kilometer distance and come back in 14 hours. Means same 48 kilometer upstream and downstream is traveling. So if he is traveling 48 kilometer, distance is 48 divided by our downstream speed is 4 by X plus 48 kilometer divided by upstream speed is 3 by X. So in this case, 48 is common. We can take that outside. So 1 divided by 4 by 6, X is X by 4. 1 divided by 3 by X is X by 3. So now again here X is common. So 14 is equated to, equated to 48X times 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 48X. LCM is 12. So 3's are 4 3's are 12, 3 4's are 12. That means it is 48X into 7 by 12. That means our X will be by cross multiplication 14 into 12 divided by 48 divided by 7. So this goes with this 4 times. This goes with this 2 times. We get 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. So now speed downstream will be 4 divided by, speed downstream is what? 4 divided by X. So 4 divided by 1 by 2. That works out to 8 kilometers per hour. Then speed upstream will be, that is I think 3 by X. So 3 by 1 by 2, which will work out to 6 kilometers per hour. Therefore, speed of the stream will be speed downstream minus speed upstream divided by 2. This is 8 minus 6 divided by 2. So 2 by 2, you get 1 kilometer per hour. That is our question. They are asking us to find the rate of the stream, which is nothing but speed of the stream. So the option is A. That is the solution for this question.